Today on Road Rage Rescues, we're going to sand some panels down. I did this last spring and summer for the Lightning before we took it on the power tour. I wet sanded the new tailgate and the grill, headlight doors, and fenders, and replaced all the stuff. So follow along as we do this and paint it. Alright, so we're painting the tailgate, the fenders, the grill, headlights, and headlights around, and the roll pan. One more coat, there's 2 coats so far, one more coat, and of color, and then we're going to start putting clear on. Last coat of color. Let that flash off, we'll mix some clear, and we'll put the first coat of clear on kind of thin, very dry, so that the second, third coat will have something to stick to. Alright, let's check the coverage. I think we're pretty good. It's been about 45 minutes. And we'll start mixing clear here in a few minutes. And put the first coat on dry, so that the second and third coat got something to kind of grab onto and hang on to. Yeah, I think we're good. All right, we're gonna mix clear. First coat of clear. Okay, we've put the first coat on. You can see that it's kind of dry looking, and that's what I'm after. Because once this stuff flashes off and we put the next coat on, we'll be able to lay it on a little heavier where we can make it a little more wet. And it'll stick to this. This is like a tack coat. And the next coat should look a little better. So how do you know when it's ready for the next coat? If you can touch something that's covered up and it leaves a mark but doesn't leave strings on your finger, that's how you know it's ready for the next coat. So it looks like we're about there. All right, second coat. We're going to lay it on a little better this time. Last coat. We're not looking for perfection, but I don't want to buff it, so we'll see how well we do. This looks really nice. I mean, we're not after perfection. This is a daily driver Lightning kind of thing I drug out of a field. But I just want to make it presentable. Get rid of the rust. This is the old fender. It's looking pretty good so far. Just a little tacky, so hopefully it doesn't run off. Here's the balance panel. This is the grill and the roll pan. It's got a little trash in it, not bad. Headlight bucket, doors, headlight doors. It's gonna look okay. Well, we got the fenders and tailgate painted, and we got a monitor on the truck, and we were able to make power tour and had a blast. And I still got some more repairs to make that I'll be videoing soon. Thanks for watching Road Rage Rescues. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.